Alrighty, we're gonna go for another tomato war. We shall see who's ready for the fight. This chicken is already getting herself ready. Let's see who will win. On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh. Peaches has started the race. Will Peaches win this one? Peaches is going strong. Let's go, Peaches. Are you gonna win this one? You were weak on the previous one, Peaches. Come on, Peaches. Oh, Peaches is looking strong. Go, Peaches. Oh. Peaches is putting on a good fight. I think all the other birds are tired. Peaches really wants this one. She didn't have a chance last time. Look at Peaches go. Look at Peaches go. Oh. The fact that this one has the stick makes it easier for her. Here comes competition. These girls got some distractions, so they are out of the race. Here comes Peaches. Boy, I think Peaches is taking this one home. I'm not seeing any more competition. Oh, the little one wants to fight. Good job, little one. Oh. Peaches is not giving up. Oh, Peaches lost it. Oh, what a surprise. Oh, there we go. Oh, Body Boom Body came out of nowhere. The baby picked it up. I don't believe this. I would have never seen this one coming. The baby bird with all the fight. Oh, the sisters. The baby got it. Oh, now the baby birds are all coming out. Oh, look at that. The smallest one is trying. Oh my God. This is completely unexpected. The smallest bird is trying to get some tomato. Oh my God. She knows how to run, this little one. Oh my God, she's getting some. Oh, that was nice while she had the chance. Butters is regaining her throne. Look at her go. Peaches is like, give it back. So desperate. Oh, what a show. What a show. Oh, oh, Butters almost lost it. Wow, what a show. Butters is destroying it. Oh, it's been split. It's been split. Oh, so you got one of them enjoying it, and everyone thinks this is the one. Oh my, you ate it with the stick, you crazy. Well, game over. Hopefully she'll be okay. I think she got 2 victories. That was very unexpected. Good job.